Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy near protocol in OKX. It's easy to get this done. Open up your OKX application. Once it's opened up, make sure you're on the OKX exchange. Now on OKX, all you need to do is make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account, by using the link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to click mystery boxes worth up to $10,000 and welcome gifts. So guys, you're on OKX with a verified account. How can you buy the near protocol? Click on the deposit option. Once you've selected deposit, you could either deposit any cryptocurrency you have outside of OKX, like the USDT, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and BNB. Any of these currencies could be easily converted into the near protocol token. And now once you've deposited some crypto, if you wish to deposit fiat, all you need to do is simply head over to the P2P trading option. So if you click on P2P, you could buy crypto using your Visa or MasterCard. Depending on the fiat currency you have, you could easily make use of your fiat currency to get some cryptocurrency by selecting a crypto you wish to buy with your fiat. So guys, once you've gotten yourself some cryptocurrency, be it the USDT, Ethereum, or Bitcoin, all you need to do is head over to the assets menu at the bottom right to be able to confirm this cryptocurrency. So once you've taken note of the amount of crypto you have, all you need to do is simply scroll towards the trading option and click on convert. Once you selected the convert option, we can be converting from Solana to some USDT. Once you've entered the amount of USDT, click on convert and easily convert your Solana tokens to some USDT, approve of the conversion, and boom. Once it's done, head to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. Once there, simply search for near, as we're going to be making use of the market buy to get some near tokens. So where we have BTC USDT, click on the drop down and simply search for near, that's near USDT. Click on near USDT, click on limit order and select market order. Enter an amount of USDT you wish to buy. Transfer your USDT from your funding or trading or any of the wallets into your trading account. Click on confirm and then enter an amount of USDT you wish to buy the near token for. The minimum amount is 6.7. Click on buy, and once you've purchased the near token, you'd find it on your wallet when you perform a simple reload. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.